Well, the good news is that whatever it's going to be, the amount of money that you're going to have to pay is going to be significantly less than some of the amounts that we're going to be talking about in this week's rundown, because we've had some acquisitions as well as a few court cases that didn't go the way that people were expecting. The first thing, though, I want to start off by talking about is, in fact, keeping things a little bit cheaper. Because if you're looking to protect your backups and you want a solution that keeps them out of your cloud environment but doesn't break the bank, then Clumio might have what you're looking for, because they've just introduced a new version of their SecureVault platform called SecureVault Lite, and it reduces the costs by about 30%. Now, if you wanted to do the actual math to figure it out, it costs about 3.5 cents per gigabyte per month to store it. If you want to restore it in the event of some other kind of terrible thing, it's 4 cents per gigabyte to restore. Now, granted, considering that Secure Vault is kind of designed to be an immutable backup store to protect you from getting a ransomware infection, I don't think the extra half a cent on the restore is going to bother you quite so much. But Jim, is this a good strategy by Clumio, kind of offering this lower cost tier to entice people to want to store it, or maybe have a slightly less rich feature set in order to kind of get people to want to step up?
Yeah, Tom, I think it makes a lot of sense. Again, the idea of having air gapped storage to me is quite fascinating. I'm okay, fine. Shouldn't we just be really worried that the encryption algorithms are strong enough to prevent any type of corruption or any damage to data? But certainly makes sense. And exactly what you said, if you do have a ransomware event, as they say, and all of a sudden you've got to get your data back from some particular point in time, how much? I don't care, because it's certainly going to be cheaper than paying it in Bitcoin. Well, a lot more Bitcoin probably these days, but still, even in that regard, sure, offering it at a lower price certainly makes sense.